If you want to know how I make these resin handles, I'll put a link to the video up there or down there, wherever it will be, so you can see how I make the resin scales. And please consider subscribing and tick your notifications, I think, because if you haven't got your notifications on, you won't see any of my videos, so it's probably a good thing. But anyway, thanks for joining me again, guys. Hi everybody. First thing I'm going to do is check I'm recording. Yes, we are this time, because I've already done this once. Right, firstly, just want to say I hope everyone's well, safe, you know, doing the best you can. My thoughts go out to all the key workers, NHS, but everyone else as well, like the bin guys, the guys who work down at supermarkets, you know, everybody that's involved in keeping us all fed, watered, and safe, you know. So there we go. So I'm going to do a bit of knife work. I'm going to show you what I'm in the process of making. So show you where we're up to. Right, so this is rough grind at the moment, and that's the camo style resin, which you've probably seen in earlier videos. It just takes me a while to get to them, and that's a little baby one. As you can see, I'm making my own pins. So that's those two, and then this one is the pine cone and resin and honeycomb, and again homemade pins. Anyway, so there's that one there, and I think that's going to come out lovely. So what I'll do is I'm going to get the small sander out now, the 1x30, because it's a bit more gentle, and we'll just round these off, get these nicely shaped, and then we'll polish them up, and then maybe move on to something different. So thanks for joining me. Right guys, all I'm doing now is moving it down to a 240 grit now, and then it'll be hand sandy from then on. Right, so that's those down to 240 on the belt, and I mean, you can see the potential. I think it looks stunning. Now you will get, sometimes you'll get like where your pins have gone through, you'll get little marks, and if you can see that, but to be honest, that'll probably polish out, and if not, it's not the end of the world, because it's resin. You can always add more resin to it, because it will, well, it just sticks like it's the same stuff, so it doesn't make any difference. But this one I've done a little bit different, as you can see. I just you know, nice little palm grip there for this little skinner, and that one I've just done slightly different, just the feel wise, and then that one's more of a standard one. My trouble is I do bigger handles, I know I do, but I've got bigger hands, but I'll take that one down a bit, but I think they're going to look stunning. So let's get some hands down to this. This is that was down to 240. Now the beauty with resin is you can kind of skip a little bit, so I'm going to go to 400 now, and I'll tidy like the spine up when I finish. So down to 400, then I'll go to 800, and then we'll go across to the polishing one.
You can slow motion.
Right guys, So these are obviously done to 400 now, but I wanted to do the spines next before I take it any further. So I use a cork belt. You can get them from GFS. I'll put a link at the bottom. And they're really, really good to get a decent finish. And all I use on it is a bit of green polish, really. But I'll show you how it brings them up. As you can see, you know, I mean, they need a bit of tidying, but you know, it cleans them right up. They're not finished, but you know, it takes the 240 grit stuff out. So that's that done now. So now we just hand sand through the grits and polish it up. That's the medium grit or medium polish. So now I'll put the fine polish on. And you avoid getting too much rubbish on your hands really when you're doing this. Exactly, my friends. I'll take all these outside in a minute. And you can have a look at them. There's that one there. I've already done that, but I'll take them outside so you can have a proper look. Right guys, enough today. I'll show you these one at a time, shall I? Now this one, I wanted to do a little bit different, which also I can't see this camera's. So this one here, I'll talk about it. Right, so this one, as you can see, done a camera design, but I wanted to do a you know, matte finish on it. So that's just ferric chloride on there, which I've done. So there's that one. Let's try and bring it a bit closer for you. There you go. That's that one there. Feels really nice in the hand. Then we got Big Brother. There we are. That's the camo one there. Look. See. That one. And last but by no means least, this one's already taken. The wife wants this one. Look at that. I mean, I'll take some decent photos, but you can see what it's like in the sun. Just beautiful, aren't they? Right, that's for a picture, I think. See you later. Bye.